Hello doctor, I'm Ariana Denella Anatomy from Group 5 and I want to present topic 1, an introduction to tourism. Tourism is an important subject to study since it is a rapidly rising business that makes major improvement to the global economy and employment. Tourism study assists students understand how the sector is organized and enveloped as well as how it is affected society at the local, national and international level. It generated a wide range of job possibilities in a variety of industries, encouraged cultural interaction, and drive economic process in a number of places. Furthermore, tourism promotes creativity, global knowledge, and cross-cultural understanding, making it an exciting and important area to study and work in. This aspect taken combined make tourism an essential academic and practical subject. According to the United Nations World Tourism Organization or UNWTO, tourism comprises the activities of persons traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year for leisure, business, and other purposes. In simple terms, tourism is about people leaving their home area to explore, relax, or work somewhere else temporarily. A tourist is someone who does this for leisure, business, and other reasons. Travel is act of moving from one place to another place. An excursion is a short trip, usually for fun, where you are returned the same day. For example, if someone flies from Malaysia to Japan for a 10 days vacation, they are a tourist engaged in tourism. If they take a one-day trip to Mount Fuji, that's an excursion. Let's move to tourist product. Number 1 is nature of the product. Tourism is a service, not a physical item. When you are buying a holiday, you are not buying something you can touch. You are buying a service like flight, hotel stay, and tour. It helps to see what you are getting before you go. Because a holiday is not a thing you can hold or try out first. You have to trust what you see online or in brochure. Second is selling dreams. It's more than just a flight and hotel rooms. Tourists aren't just paying for transportation and somewhere to sleep. They are buying the whole experience like new places, fun activities, good food, and relaxing time. People choose places based on things like local traditions, famous sites, friendly local people, or a special vibe. Planning and looking forward to the trip is a part of the fun. Even after it's over, the memories are part of what people bought. That is dynamic packaging. People can now book their own holiday online. Thanks to the internet, traveler or travel agent can mix and match flight, hotel, car rental, and tour to create custom trips. But there are more risks when you are book it part separately. There are highest chance something might go wrong, like a flight delay causing you to miss your hotel check-in. DIY trip may not be protected. If you are book things on your own and company goes out of business, like an airline or hotel, you might not get your money back or help to fix your plans.
Hello and hi everyone. My name is Soferiam Anasaka and I am the next presenter for our groups. So I'm gonna start by explaining the nature of tourism. What is nature of tourism? The nature of tourism is a complex and multifaceted in the service industry. It can be defined by temporary movements of people to destinations outside their usual environments for various purposes, such as leisure, business, or education. Tourism combines many elements such as transportations, accommodations, attractions, and services to create a memorable experience for travelers. Tourism has four main characteristics that make it unique. The first one is intangibility. Tourism is primarily an experience or service, not a tangible product that can be touched or owned. Travelers cannot see or taste a vacation before they purchasing it. Instead, they rely on advertising, review, and reputations to make their decisions. Because of this, tourism business must make the experience feel real and reliable through tangible cues such as comfortable rooms, friendly staff, and appealing visuals and quality service. For example, a traveler booking a hotel in Bali, they cannot try the room beforehand. So they depend on online photos, customer reviews, and hotel rating to decide either they want to go there or not. The hotel then needs to provide tangible cues like clean rooms, friendly staff, and comfortable facilities to make the experience real and satisfying. The second one is perishability. Tourism products are highly perishable, meaning they cannot be stored or saved for the future use. An empty room, hotel room, tonight, or an unoccupied airline seat represent lost revenue that cannot be recovered. This forces tourism providers to use effective capacity management, promotions, and dynamic pricing strategies to fill as a spot as possible before the opportunity passes. The third one is seasonality. Tourism demand often changes with the seasons or specific time of year. Factors such as weather, holidays, school break, and events can create predictable peak and off-peak periods. By managing these fluctuations is a challenge for the tourism business. So the businesses must hire and train temporary staff during busy seasons and finds ways to attract visitors during slower times, such as by offering discounts, special events, or niche promotions. For example, in Malaysia, local beach resorts in Langkawi or Sabah are busier during school holidays and dry seasons, but experience fewer visitors during the monsoon periods. So to stay profitable, businesses may offer off-season promotions or create events and festivals to attract visitors year-round. The last main characteristic for nature of tourism is interdependence. Tourism is built on interdependence among different sectors. A traveler's overall experience depends on the smooth coordination of transportations, accommodations, attractions, food, and entertainment provider. If one part fails, for example, a flight delay or poor hotel service, it can affect negatively the traveler entire trips. So this shows how essential collaborations and communications are within the tourism industry. So, for example, a tourist flying to Paris might face a flight delay, which causing them to miss their hotel check-in or guided city tour. Even though each service provider operates independently, they are interdependent. So to achieve success in tourism, so they have to depend on smooth coordinations among all of them. Next, I'm gonna explain about the tourist destinations. A tourist destination is a specific place that attracts visitors because of its unique attractions, facilities, and experiences. It can be a city, region, or country where the tourists travel to spend their leisure time, exploring new cultures, and enjoy recreational activities. Destinations usually offer a combination of natural and man-made features that make it appeals to the travelers. Natural beauty play a key role in attracting tourists. Many travelers choose destinations with a beautiful landscape, beaches, mountains, or forests to relax and enjoy nature. For example, Bali in Indonesia is famous for its stunning beaches and large rice terraces, while Switzerland attracts visitors with its snow-capped Alps and picturesque lake. Natural scenery provides a peaceful environment and opportunities for outdoor activities such as biking, swimming, or sightseeing. Culture and heritage also make a destination special. Tourists are often interested in experiencing local traditions, festivals, languages, arts, and historical sites. Cultural destinations allow visitors to learn about the peoples and their way of life. For instance, Paris in France is rich in culture. They offering landmarks such as Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum, while Kyoto in Japan attracts tourists with its ancient temples, tea ceremonies, and traditional architecture. Good infrastructure is another important factor that make a tourist destination attractive. This includes accommodations, restaurants, transportation, and other services that make the travel convenient and enjoyable. For example, Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia is a great example of a city with a modern infrastructure. It has a wide range of hotels, shopping centers, restaurants, and an efficient transportation system, making it comfortable for both local and international tourists. Safety is a major concern for tourists when they're choosing where they want to travel. Destinations that are peaceful, well managed, and have a low crime rate tend to attract more visitors. For example, Singapore is worldwide known for its cleanliness, strict law, and high level of safety, which make the tourists feel secure throughout their visit. A safe environment helps visitors enjoy their trip without worry. Finally, accessibility determines how easy it is for tourists to reach a destination. A good accessibility includes having an international airport, efficient public transport, and well-maintained roads. Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, and Dubai are popular tourist destinations partly because they are major air travel hubs with direct flight from many countries. So when the place is easy to reach, so it automatically will encourage more people to visit the place. So this is the example of the popular tourist destinations. One of the most popular tourist destination in Southeast Asia is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is the capital city and a vibrant urban center known for its modern skylines, diverse culture, and delicious food. The city's most famous landmark is the Petronas Twin Tower, which were once the tallest building in the world and remain a symbol of Malaysian progress. Other attractions include the Batu Cave, a Hindu temple complex set within a cave, and various shopping districts such as Bukit Bintang and Suria KLCT, which attract both local and international visitors. Kuala Lumpur's mix of culture, architecture, and entertainment make it must-visit destination. Another well-known destination is Bali, Indonesia, which is often called the Islands of the Gods. Bali is famous for its beautiful beaches, large rice terraces, and ancient temples that reflect its rich cultural and spiritual heritage. Tourists visit Bali to relax on beaches like Kuta and Nusa Dua, exploring the scenic areas like Ubud Rice Belt, and experience traditional Balinese dance and art. Its warm climate, friendly peoples, and natural beauty make the Bali one of the most beloved tropical destinations in the world. To conclude, our group presentations for topic 1 is, in conclusions, tourism is one of the world's largest industry that creates jobs, support economies, and connect people globally. We learned that tourism involves travel for leisure or business, and the tourism product includes nature of the product, selling trims, and dynamic packaging. Tourism is also intangibility, interdependence, seasonality, and perishability with other sectors. Popular destinations like Kuala Lumpur and Bali attract many visitors for their natural beauty, culture and heritage, infrastructure, and also accessibility. Overall, studying tourism helps us understand how travel benefits people, promote cultural understanding, and strengthen global connections. That's all from us. Thank you.